And then from Primark, I thought I broke this. This is another candle that it actually feels so soft. Like I'm like, I can't wait to have my face on this. Like, so this is what the cushion looks like. Imagine it's not got like a million creases on it, but yeah, it's a similar color to the blanket, and I just thought that would look really cute on my bed. Like those two little plants. And I have got another plant in my room, and I have got another plant which I bought, so I feel like I've got enough plants. If you're wondering with this haul, is anything actually like useful, or did you just get like decoration? Nothing is useful in this haul. It's purely just like decoration bits. Hi guys, so today I have a very exciting back to uni haul. I have in fact gotten a job and decided to spend all my money from my job on back to uni bits, so I thought I'd film a video. I didn't expect, like, over the past few days my mum and I went shopping and I didn't expect to like get this much stuff, but here we are. So just as a bit of context, I lived at home for a year. Like the house that I grew up in, we moved out of that house after living there for like 10 years. We moved into a new house and then I lived there for a bit, and then I'm moving out of there now and moving back to uni with like my uni friends back in like a proper city and stuff. So I don't think I didn't need to buy as much stuff as I have, but I just wanted like I just want a nice room, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't know, like being at home has been really nice. It's been really cozy. I've got all like my home bits. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but when I go to uni, like a few years ago, I would just bring like my rubbish stuff to uni. Like I wouldn't bring like the stuff I really cared about. So I think this is why I've got a bit OTT on all the stuff I've bought, because I want to make my uni room look really nice this year. So starting off, okay, from Primark, I have a single bed at home behind this camera. It's my single bed that I'm quite content and happy with, to be honest, but at uni I've got a double bed. So I bought a lot of cushions and I had to buy 2 extra pillows. These are just from the range. £11, which I don't know, a lot of home stuff I didn't realise how much they cost, because I take it for granted at home really. Like I've already got pillows and cushions, so I didn't really think how much are pillows and cushions. So yeah, because of my double bed I need more cushions, and then I also bought some little just decorative ones. We also got this nice pink blankety thing from TK Maxx. This, I don't really know what sort of colour theme I'm going for, to be honest, but I ended up picking up a couple of pink bits, so I think it's gonna be pink. It's kind of almost white, to be fair, which I think will work well with those cushions. It's like a really light salmon-y pink colour. It's really nice, kind of matches my cardigan that I've got on at the moment. And then we went to IKEA today and I picked up some cushion covers. I might actually make one now just so you can see what it looked like, because in the shop they already had it out ready. Comes all rolled up like a little burrito. Okay, so this is what the cushion looks like. Imagine it's not got like a million creases on it, but yeah, it's a similar color to the blanket, and I just thought that would look really cute on my bed. Like, do you know what, I didn't realize how I feel like it was quite affordable in IKEA. The cover was £3 and then the insert was £3. I thought that was quite good, because if you wanted to like change it up, you could just take it out of this thing and then like rejazz it up. Like it's, I don't know, it's like a little outfit for a cushion. I also I'm gonna try and stop drinking out of a jug. I've got my measuring jug over there, which is almost empty, and instead I bought this. It's called a carafe. It's kind of just like a fancy bottle really. And I bought this because I thought, if I am going to be drinking large amounts of water and I don't want a water bottle because I'm scared of losing it, I want something that can just sit in my room, get at least something nice that can sit there, not like a measuring jug. This was £4. It has like a little cork stopper in the top. I'll probably lose the stopper. I also got a couple plants from IKEA. These are all fake, obviously. I've had my time with real plants and I'm not a plant mom. I can't keep them alive. Unfortunately, not even succulents or like cacti or anything. And this one was really cool. I thought it looks quite like real, to be honest. Like, I don't know. It looks really real to me, like in person as well. It looks quite real. I didn't get a plant pot for this. I'm probably gonna have to get maybe, I don't know, one that suits the room, but for now I just thought that looks fine. And depending on how you like hold it as well, you can't even see like the black plant pot if you just like, if I position it in a certain way, it should be fine. But then I did also get this mini one, which is really cute. Yeah, the plant pot was only £1, which I thought was really good. The plant itself I think was £5. But yeah, I've got those two little plants, and I have got another plant in my room, and I have got another plant which I bought, so I feel like I've got enough plants. If you're wondering with this haul, is anything actually like useful, or did you just get like decoration? Nothing is useful in this haul. It's purely just like decoration bits. I also got some LEDs. I'm so excited to use these. These are the ones that are meant to go either behind a TV or behind your PC monitor. So I'm definitely going to put mine behind my like monitor there. I'm so excited to use them because it looks so cool. I got these from Wilko. They were £8. And then from Primark I also got this little candle. Obviously would this haul be complete without a candle? I didn't actually go overboard with the candles, to be fair. I think I only got 2, which is a shock. It's not showing up properly, but I kind of got this one just for like decoration, to be honest. There we go. Yeah, it's Coral Cloud. I thought that was really cute. Well, Coral Cloud is purely just going to sit on my little countertop and look pretty next to my reed diffuser. Is also from Primark. It's just a little amber and bay leaf reed diffuser. Just thought that might be quite cute together, like set on like the little countertop. Again, like there's no like theme with this because this is black as well, and I don't know. I also got, this is actually from Poundland, or Pep & Co, which is like Poundland's like clothing brand. I got this little storage cube thing. The room that I'm moving into doesn't have like loads of storage, so I thought I'm gonna have to like bring boxes and stuff. And this was only £3, but it's actually like pretty decent. I've got 4 of these. This is one of 4. This is pretty much where I'm planning to put either like just miscellaneous stuff that just gets like shoved under my bed, or like they do give you like a chest of drawers, but I'm scared that it won't like fit all of my stuff. So I think if anything doesn't fit in the chest of drawers, I'll just put it in here. And the other 2 of them at the moment are just here, like underneath my like clothes and stuff, and they've just got like other clothes in there. And then I also got another plant from Pep & Co. This one was only £3, which I thought was really good. I'll probably keep it in that little pot as well. It comes in like a grey pot. Again, it's not, what on earth is the theme going to be? If my room looks messy and disheveled, I mean, that is just my personality though, to be fair. This one does look pretty fake. It does look really like plasticky, and like it looks very, very like green as well, but I'm not too fussed about it. I think I'll put this in the corner. I got so scared that I thought it randomly cut off, and I was like, was that not filming? But it was. I'll put this in the dark somewhere in like the corner. Okay, there is actually some useful stuff. I lied, this isn't completely like useless like decor. I had to get a double, which is just from Wilko. It's, I don't know if anyone cares, 10.5 tog, one that's suitable for all weather. I have another storage cube. This is the 4th one. And then from Primark, I thought I broke this. This is another candle that I got, just the 2nd one. Again, I actually just got this purely for like decoration purposes. Doesn't smell it very much. I've noticed, I've had a couple Primark candles. They don't always smell that strong, but they do look nice. So it's not a complete waste of money. I got some sheets, obviously double again because I don't have any double. And then I got a Duvet Set. This is like a stripy, it's really soft, it's like a stripy one from Primark. And it's just white. They've got a picture on the back of what it looks like, and that's what sold it to me because I thought it looked quite nice in the photo. And then I got some backup pillowcases, and these are like the fancy like hotel ones, like the 400 thread count. It actually feels so soft. Like I'm like, I can't wait to have my face on this. Like that is actually so soft. Oh, so I'm not sure whether to order this, but I saw it on TikTok. I'm not sure whether to order it, but I think I might. It's this wireless charger and an LED lamp, like all in one. It looks like this. It's so cool. Like I saw it on a TikTok and I was like, oh my god, that is so cool. And at the aesthetic, I feel like it would look really, really nice like on my desk. I'm so tempted. Anyway, I've not ordered that, but I have ordered, I don't know what you call it, acrylic shelf. It's just like a, yeah, I don't know, an acrylic shelf. And I'm planning on just putting my perfume on there because I have got quite a lot of perfume. And then I've also ordered some little command strips, but we all know what command strips looks like. So yeah, thank you. That was my haul. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a fantastic time getting ready for back to school season, back to uni season, back to whatever season. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.